Hello friends, today we will discuss sampling methods. Sampling methods are techniques used to select a subset of individuals or items from a larger population to make inferences about the entire population. These methods are broadly categorized into two categories. First is probability sampling and second is non-probability sampling. Probability sampling: every member of the population has non-zero chance of being selected. Simple random sampling is a part of probability sampling, where each member of the population has an equal chance of being selected. We can take an example. If we have a population of 100 students and we need a sample of 10, then we could assign numbers to all students and randomly select 10 using a lottery method or random number generator. Stratified sampling is the second type of probability sampling. The population is divided into subgroups, that is known as strata, based on shared characteristics, and samples are taken from each group proportionally. For example, if a school has 60% girls and 40% boys, then we need a sample of 50 students. Then we can select 30 girls and 20 boys to maintain the proportion. Third one is systematic sampling. A random starting point is chosen and then every nth number of the population is selected. For example, in a list of 1000 households, if we want a sample of 100, then we might select every 10th household after randomly choosing a starting point between 1 and 10. Cluster sampling is another type of probability sampling. The population is divided into clusters and entire clusters are randomly selected. For example, if a city has 10 neighborhoods and we have to select 3 neighborhoods randomly to survey all residents within those neighborhoods. Non-probability sampling is another type of sampling. Some members of the population are more likely to be selected than others, and the selection process is not random here. First is convenience sampling. Samples are chosen based on their availability or ease of access. For example, a researcher surveys people at a nearby shopping mall because it is convenient and time saving. Second is judgmental or purposive sampling. Samples are selected based on the researcher's judgment about which subjects are most suitable. For example, a researcher studying the behavior of high-performing athletes selects participants from a national team. Third is snowball sampling. It is a non-probability sampling type. Participants recruit others into sample, often used for hard-to-reach population. For example, to study a rare disease, a researcher might start with a known patient and ask them to refer others with the same condition. Next is quota sampling. The population is segmented into groups and a specified number of participants are chosen from each group, often non-randomly. For example, if we need 20 participants, 10 men and 10 women, we can select individuals based on their availability until the quotas are met. So, probability sampling provides more reliable and generalizable results but can be time-consuming and costly. Non-probability sampling is easier and quicker but may lead to biased or non-representative outcomes.